Hi guys! Today we are learning how to watch anime offline on Crunchyroll. First, unlock your phone and open the Crunchyroll app. Wait for the app to load completely on your device. After opening the app, choose your profile from the available options. Selecting a profile will take you into your Crunchyroll account. This helps personalize your watch history and recommendations. Once your profile is selected, you can start browsing anime. Now, find the anime you want to watch offline. Open its details page and tap Start Watching. This will take you to the episode list for that series. From here, you'll be able to access download options if available. Look for the download icon on the right side of the episode you want to save. Tap the icon to begin the download process. Crunchyroll uses this feature to let premium users watch content without an internet connection. The app may show additional information before proceeding. If you're not subscribed to Crunchyroll Premium, the app will display a message. Offline downloads are available only for eligible premium memberships. Without a premium plan, you won't be able to download episodes for offline viewing. You'll need to upgrade your account to use this feature. Once you're a premium member and the episode has finished downloading, you can open the downloads section. Your saved episodes will be available even when you're offline. Simply tap the downloaded episode to start watching. This is a great way to enjoy anime while traveling or without internet access. And that's how you can watch anime offline on Crunchyroll using downloaded episodes. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.